This is video 2 on this black maxx. So in video 1 I explained what was going on with the CO sensor, and I think once these things trip, they're designed to need you to replace them. It's really hard to see. I'm trying to show you the red light. So I resoldered the battery, right? So put a support under the battery to support it, soldered it up. Soldering small things is not my specialty, as you can tell. And so what happens is you'll get spark. I didn't know this. I don't think a lot of people do. If they do, they're not talking about it. So if your CO is shutting off your engine detector, right, you will get spark, but it won't run. So let me show you a quick, simple way to check this on this thing. On this generator. Take that off for a minute. Make sure your fuel's on. Choke's on. Well, now we know what was the problem. So be ordering a new CO2 sensor or CO sensor, and problem solved. $80 marketplace.